Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Is there such a thing as the holy grail of Forex signals? I 100% believe so. What I want to do in this video is show you this. We're going to go through every one of these currency pairs I've got on the right hand side here. So let's assume you took every one of these signals, the last one or two of these that fired. How do they stack up? Out of the last 45 signals involving these currency pairs, we've got 44 out of 45. The one that was a losing trade missed out by about a pip or two. Target one was here and it did that and it got taken out. One trade. 44 out of 45, even if it's 40 out of 45. There's nothing else like this, guys. Nothing like this anywhere. You trade every single one of these regardless. No technical analysis. 5-minute chart. Very simple rules of engagement. So let me just run through and just show you just quickly some of the results that we're getting, and then I'll get into the nitty-gritty as far as the strategy is concerned. And I mean, some of these you gain some serious pips. The losing trade is minimal. I mean, you know, you can see the stop loss levels here. All right, stop loss is set up on every single one of these. Look at this one. CAD yen, I should have taken that today. Never mind. The opportunity of a lifetime comes around every 15 minutes. Oh yeah, okay. See, look at that signal. 44 out of 45 of these, and then look where that went. The risk reward is incredible. Run through. We're just going to have a look at every single, the last one or two signals, okay, of every currency pair that I've got here. I mean, look at that. One before that, 45, 46, okay, 47, winning. All right, how many out of 50? It's going to be up there. Euro Swissy. Some of these I prefer not to trade, but I mean, guys, look at these signals. Why would you not want that? And by the way, this is a winning trade. Rules of engagement, I'll show that to you now. Have a look at these. Bearish breakout. So what we do is we mark it up. Actually, that could have been our first. That's not such a good one, is it? You mark up, where the breakout is, you mark up the range low in this case, and then you enter. All right. Well, out of 50, let's call it 2 losses. All right. That's stop loss hit there. No problem. 48 out of 50. Stop losses hit, but I mean, look at the gains in comparison. Okay, so how this works, breakout. Where did it break out? Here, mark up the range left of where it broke out, and you're looking to enter on the pullback. You're looking to enter on the pullback, so break out here, enter on the pullback there. Short, you can set sell limit orders. Stop loss goes above the cloud here. You're looking to take 2/3 of your position off at T1 reached. At that point, you then pull your stop loss down so that it's in the money. I've just done that on one of my MT5 trades, and it's about halfway through the cloud, give or take. It's in the money. It's a winning trade if it gets taken out, and then let it run, because what I'm wanting is, you know, when we get some of these, I mean, like this one, for example, here. Look left, okay, breakout, look left, there's your high here, entry. All right, you let some of these run, and that's where you make your money. All right, so now we can officially call it a 48 out of 50. Anyway, I've done a pile of videos on this. I don't want this to be a tutorial so much, but I really just wanted to go back and show you. Just take every one of them, regardless, and follow the same set of rules. There you go. Actually, this is the one I'm in right now. TP1. I've just closed it on MT5. And look at this. I mean, which one of these would you not want? Even this is profitable. Or is it? Pull it across. Maybe. All right, 51. Doesn't matter. It seriously doesn't matter. It pulls back, you get a fill. It seriously doesn't matter if you get a couple of these. You have to, you know, the losers is just, all right, 51. So we've got 48 out of 51. But I mean, look at the pips. Let's go through quickly. All right, you let some of these run. Yeah, I mean, you'll be trailing the price with your stop loss so that it's more and more profitable as the trade progresses. Okay, so once you've taken T1, stop loss up, in the money already, and then as it moves, you're moving your stop loss up and you're trailing it, so you're making money. Just round it off at 48 out of 50. It's just easier. Anyway, the last signals that fired, just take them. No technical analysis, no reference to higher time frame, and there's your big payday. There it is. Jump on board, guys. The link is below. $19.95 a month. You shout me a cup of coffee and a cake each month, and you've got access to my indicators, these trade signals, my advanced trading tutorials, VIP Discord group. Trade signals are posted in there. Just look at them. Honestly, jump on board, guys. Link is below. Have access to this system and my strategy, and let's enjoy the journey together. Breakout, short, okay, sure. You can join my free Discord. Okay, I have a free Discord. I mean, you can join that. Here's Discord here. Okay, Discord, all my trade ideas go in here. I'm in here every day. The Asian, London, and going into the New York Open. All my trade signals. We get a very high win rate, guys. All the tutorials, members only tutorials in VIP here. Advanced trading techniques, everything. And then we've got the free Traders Zone under here. All this stuff. You've got daily trade ideas. We've got risk sentiment reports, everything going in here, tutorials. Join Discord, it's free. And $19.95, guys. Join VIP. There's the channel up here, and Discord. Go down to my website. It's tradingwithanthony.com. There's your options. Lifetime is pretty cool. But jump on board here and enjoy the journey with me. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in Discord. Have a great day. See you in the next video.